Drag racing is a type of regulated motor racing where vehicles compete to cross a finish line. Unlike other automobile races that follow a circular track, drag racing happens on a short, straight course. Courses range from 3/16 of a mile to a quarter of a mile long. Two vehicles line up at the starting line before each race, also known as a pass. The race is started electronically by a light system placed between the two lanes. It has 3 sets of yellow lights, a set of green lights, and a set of red lights in a tree formation. The yellow lights flash together, followed half a second later by the green lights. Drivers must wait for the green light to go. If they start before the green light, the red light will turn on to show that they started too soon. Electronic timing and speed sensing systems track the race and record the results. Several measurements are taken during a race. Reaction time, the time from the green light turning on to the vehicle leaving the starting line, is measured. Elapsed time is also measured. This is the time from the vehicle leaving the starting line and crossing the finish line. Vehicle speed is also measured. Time and speed sensors are located at various points along the course. 1/8 of the way, 1/4 of the way, and 1/2 of the way to the finish line. These sensors calculate split times during a race. Most races are set up so that the losing vehicle is eliminated from the competition and the winner advances to the next round until a champion wins all the races. Because the races are often so close, times are checked to accurately determine the winner of the race. You are helping create a new drag racing course and want to mark where the speed sensors will be placed along the track.